Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Kajabi detailed guide step by step. To connect with Kajabi, start by navigating to the Kajabi website. Once there, click on the login button located in the upper right corner. Enter your email address and password to access your Kajabi account. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Kajabi dashboard. Now, locate the integrations option in the left-hand menu. Click on Integrations to view a list of available integrations. Here, you'll find options for various services and platforms. Select the service you want to connect with Kajabi. Click on the Connect or Add button next to the selected service. Follow the prompts to authorize Kajabi to connect with your chosen service. You may need to enter API keys or login credentials for the external platform. Once you've entered the necessary information, confirm the connection. Kajabi will then process your request and establish the connection. After the integration is successfully set up, you'll see a confirmation message. Take a moment to review the integration settings. Adjust any settings as needed to optimize the connection. To test the integration, try sending a sample entry from your external service to Kajabi. Check your Kajabi dashboard to ensure the data has been received. Once confirmed, you can start utilizing the integration for your business needs. If you encounter any issues, refer to the support section on the Kajabi website for troubleshooting tips. With the connection established, you're now ready to enhance your Kajabi experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.